Eu vou mais rápido que o sol.
Now we go into the water, boys. Oh. Hello everyone, today we're here in Brazil's, actually South America's biggest seaport city. So the city home to the biggest seaport in South America. We're gonna ride our bikes through the streets, on the streets of the city and also on the beach. And we're gonna take a look at that at night, because it's night time right now. So let's go everyone, let's go. Welcome to the city everyone. See the canal here. It's nice. So it's a beautiful city. There are lots of this canal separating the city, so you can't tell where you are by the number of the channel. This is canal 6, and they're all the way from 1 to 7.
A parte daqui está assim.
Should I stay or should I go?
Fala o que eu tenho que fazer.
Okay.
De tudo.
Entretém o público. Aurelios Pitecos.
Ela só olhava pra mim e fazia assim, ó.
Now we go into the water, boys. Oh. Não, foi tudo planejado. Não pode ir ali?
Pode.
É, isso é da hora com tudo aqui. Where the bike meets the ocean. Pô, aqui é tipo onde o Aquaman, né, sai da água. The brand new beach canal. So folks, we're here on the beach of actually the tip of the beach. It's been restored some while back. There's the monument there. You can check it out. I think it's a tribute to the discovery of Brazil, maybe. I don't really know. So we're here in front of this fishing pier. My boy Marcus is there on the water, by the water there, and you see all this my phone is not focusing. But anyway, you see those lights flashing on the horizon. Those are ships waiting their turn to cruise into the port. So this is like a bay. It's night, so you can't see that so clearly, but that's a bay. You can see mountains over there. More mountains behind here. So this is a bay, and there's an exit to the ocean right here. And yeah, so those are ships waiting their turn to go through here. And they'll just go around the tip of the beach. That's what this part of the city is called. And then the actual port is on the other side of the island, behind these buildings, all the way to the other side. The old fishing museum. I don't think it's active due to the current global things going on. But it's beautiful.
Para de...
E aí, tu tá a estrela do vídeo.
Quer ficar...
Fala um pouco da cidade.
Não tem o que falar, né? É tudo muito errado, todo mundo só pensa assim. Eu não vou falar nada.
Só sentir. Caraca. The English Podcast.
Agora é horário ponto de sinal skateboard. Mas olha aqui, imagina, ia melhor. Andar lá com o olhão.
That's the water you toast. Hello you, thanks for watching, and yeah, that was a little late night bike riding with my friend Marcos across the city on the beach, on the pier beachfront, and that's it. I'll see you in the next videos. Thanks for watching, have a good time everyone, and I might make another one talking a little bit more. Bye bye everyone.